It was Monday morning when the Sunmaker Oil and Gas team arrived at Kibambura Playground in Buliisa district, in collaboration with Total Energies Uganda. Witnessed by the Honorable Minister of State for Energy and Mineral Development Phiona Nyamutoro of the Republic of Uganda. Over 800 Tilna project affected persons, PAPs, under resettlement action plans in Buliisa, Hoima, and Kikubi districts were given income-generating starter packs at an event held at Kibambura Playground in Buliisa district. Thanks to Total Energies Uganda and Sunmaker Oil and Gas Training Institute, over 800 beneficiaries were able to get startup kits in fields like barbering, catering, construction, and so much more. Reported to you by Sunmaker Media Team.